Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. Students, in the last session we have learned about coins and notes. Today you have to open page number 91. On page number 91 there is chapter number 7, money. In money chapter there are many types of coins and notes are given. We have to recognize it. That is our warm up. Means in the last year, first standard, what we have learned, we have to recognize here. So take a pencil in your hand and let us start. Here are the coins. 5 types of coins are there. So we have to write its names. This is, see, you can see here 5050. So this is 50 paise, not the rupees. PAISE. In the last session I have shown you 50 paise. Here also it is there. You can see here 5050. It has written over there and written 50 paise. So this is 50 paise. Next one is rupee 1, like this way written. So here we have to write 1 RUPEE. Single is there, so we are writing 1 rupee. So this is our 1 rupee. You can see here 1 and upside rupee sign is given. Next one, rupee 2. Here rupees 2. So you write 2 RUPEES. Here you have to add S. It is singular, so we are not writing S here. And these are the plural, means more than 1. So here we are writing S, 2 rupees. And how the 2 rupees looks, I have shown you yesterday. Today also I will show you. Here see, upper side rupees sign is there and 2 is written over there. Next one is rupees 5. So 5 rupees you have to write. Here also PEES. Like this way you have to write 5 rupees. And 5 rupees how it looks, I have shown you. Today again I will show you. This is rupees 5. You can see here rupee sign and 5 is written over there. So this is rupees 5. And the last one is 10 rupees. Right? 10 rupees. So 10 rupees how it will look, that in the last session I have shown you. Today again I will show rupees. 10 rupee sign is there and down 10 is written, and there are 2 layers in the coin. Okay. So now next one about notes. Next one, see, rupees currency notes. Here 5 rupees note is there, so write 5 rupees. Next, here 10 rupee note, so write 10 rupees. Next one, it is 20 rupees, which you have learnt in the last year in standard first. This is 50 rupees. And this one is 100 rupees. So this you have learned in the standard first. Now this year we are introducing you 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. So here rupee sign is there, 500 rupee sign, 2000. So these are the 2 bigger currency notes in our country. Now you have to open page number 92. Now we are familiar with rupees and paise. Now we'll see what is rupees and paise. Indian money is in the form of rupees and paise. So here you can bracket it. Indian money is in the form of rupees and paise. Many other countries, they are using different names for the currency. We write this sign is there for rupee or rupees, and P for paise. So here also you can bracket it. Next one. Before going to the next, we'll see one thing. See student, here are two coins of 50 paise. So 50 and 50, how much it is? We are adding it. 50 and 50, adding. So 0 plus 0, 0, and 5 and 5, 10. Means 50 plus 50, there comes 100. Now what is 100? 50 paise and 50 paise, there is 100 paise. Now this 100 paise we are calling as 1 rupee. What we are calling it? 1 rupee. So 1 rupee means how much? 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Do not forget this. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now open your 92 page. We'll see here. 100 paise make 1 rupee. Now which we have seen. So you can bracket it, underline 100 number. In short, we write 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee or rupee 1. So here you can underline number 1. Now changing money. What is mean by changing money? So now just we have seen for rupees 1 we can exchange with 250 paise. Means 1 rupee, and we can exchange with 50 2 coins. 50 paise 2 coins. So like this way, what we can do, we have to see in our try this box. 250 paise coins together make rupee 1, that we have seen just now. So we can change a rupee 1 coin for 250 paise coin. The same way we'll see. Try this. Fill in the blanks. 2 rupees coin, and front of that 1 rupee coin is inserted. So here you can see this is 2 rupee and 1 rupee is 1 coin and 1 rupee 1 coin. So we can exchange or change 1 2 rupee coin can be changed for this 2 rupees 1 coin. These 2 coins are there of rupees 1. The same way 5 rupees 1 coin. So like this way, how many 1 rupees coin you need? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 1 rupee 5 coin can be changed for 5 rupees 1 coins. Next one, 10 rupee coin is there. We can exchange with 5 and 5, 10. So 1 rupees 10 coin can be changed for 2 rupees 5 coin. The same way 10 rupees coin is there, and you can exchange or change with 2 rupee 1, 2 and 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. So 2 rupees, how many coins we need? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So like this way, 2 rupees 5 coins we need to change for rupees 10 coin. And the next one, dash 20 note can be changed for dash 5 rupee note. Now 20 rupees one note we'll see. Like this way, this is 20 rupees note. Now how many 5 rupees notes we need? 5, 5, 10 and 5, 15 and 5, 20. So how many 5 rupees note we need? 4. So 120 rupee note can be changed for 4 rupees 5 notes. So like this way we have completed our page number 92. In the next session we are solving exercise 7a. Till then, bye bye.